Hello everyone, welcome to Badgeskins. So in this quick how-to video, we'll be doing an install on the 11th gen front bumper of the Civic here. And what we're doing is that we're going to put a lower bumper accent piece that continues this satin look from here to here. And we're going to kind of black out this section right here. So the first thing you want to do obviously is that you want to make sure this whole area is nice and clean. And you want to make sure that in between here is also dry and clean, and here, right? So you want to make sure that you kind of have it cleaned out and that there's no little pebbles or sand and stuff sitting in there that could fall out and get contamination on your vinyl. All right, so once you remove the badgeskin from the backing, what you want to do is you want to take this and you kind of want to line up the top here, this line. You want to make sure there's a little bit of an overlap, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come around to the front and you're kind of just going to make sure that it lines up here also, and that you'll see that there is an overlap. But we don't want to tack this down, we just want to make sure everything lines up. Once that's done, then we're going to start squeegeeing down. If you don't have a squeegee, you can get one from our website, but if you do, that's great. And all you have to do is start squeegeeing this down towards the bottom, like this. Once that's done, then you can start coming towards the front here. You'll hit this edge and you'll just kind of lie everything down. We'll line it up, and then we're going to squeegee it all the way towards the front. Once you've done that, you can start removing the masking at 180 degrees. And the rest of this is going to be tucking these edges in. So if you have a micro squeegee, that's great. If you don't, you can get one from our website. And all we're doing here is adding some pressure, and we're going to squeegee. Use the micro squeegee to tuck this down and into the trim. All right, so I switched up to a black micro squeegee because it's a harder one and it gives me a little bit more leverage when I want to tuck this extra underneath the trim here like this. So I'm going to continue through here, and I'm going to take a little bit of heat with the heat gun just because it's curved. And I switch back to the red micro squeegee here because it bends and I can get it to contour to the curve better. And now I just want to make sure all my edges are nice and tightly tacked down. And if you want, you can give it a quick heat treat. And just like that, it just adds this little extra look of an accent piece on the front bumper and connects that kind of satin look. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.